I don't bother blood clot talk English bomber clot grammar. Cause them thing they get me very bomber clot upset. Seen? And all because, you know why? I am not singing darling, I blood clot love you.
I saw your mom. She opened up her legs and said, come on. It was scary, bumpy, bumpy and hairy. I saw your mom. Who remember the song there? When you had this your friend, both their mother, you just sing the song that say open their legs and bumpy, bumpy and hairy. Yeah. We are gonna watch some Bawdacat video. You know, say Bawdacat more nasty. He always at the go-go club. Sometimes he speaks some things were raw. Sometimes he speaks some things were truth. But him entertaining. And we like laugh over here. We not take life too serious. You have a joke.
Why make you broke most and have less time for yourself?
No 9 to 5, brother.
Yeah?
Yeah. 9 to 5 make you broke most. And you don't have no time in your life to yourself.
True.
Real meds God.
Yeah,
I'm not lie to a man. Me don't know about other people. And may I tell you this. Without a 9 to 5,
There's nothing.
no, something here is nothing. Would I call it that same way? Because you not have nothing to come in.
Yeah.
But
But
look,
the system set. Yeah.
But you see 9 to 5, brother, it's really wicked for human body, brother. Me couldn't manage no more right because me do a lot of it. And then at the end of the day, I'm still hungry.
Yeah, it makes you
still
hungry
hungry.
more, brother.
I'm still hungry.
Look now. Remember, you know, you have to wake up every morning. You dedicate yourself to a job. But
Yes,
brother,
sir.
when me say you get a day at home, you don't even get time to clean up your
place.
home because you want to rest.
True.
And remember, so when a little rest the over is back to the 95 again, you know, brother. So hold on now. You have a life, you know, where you tell yourself, so boy, I feel like today Wednesday, mother want to go up on the beach and sit down and relax. Yeah, if you make one reservation from last month at the 9 to 5. You understand me, brother?
9 to 5, a killer. But what can we do? 9 to 5, a modern day slavery. Because you're working to earn, however, you're working to make somebody else richer. But not all of us can be entrepreneurs, you know? But a real talk, you see? Sometimes Bawdacat chat free, sometimes him talk sense. And this is why them conversation make sense. Continuing. But 9 to 5 are free. But we need it, because we need money. That's why I do YouTube right now, because I try to cut out the 9 to 5. What the fuck? I don't do 9 to 5, I do. I dropped my son off at 9 this morning. And at what time now? 11 o'clock. I literally just reach home. And I start work around 10:30. So that's what? 9 to 10:30. Yeah, that's 11 and a half hours. Anyway, like up the video so we can stop the 12, 13 hours a day, every day. Respect.
Thursday come again, you feel like you don't want to go up a bar to a Center Mass to live some life and get some of the hot water, beat your skin. You can't do that, brother, because check one out, no? You can't afford to miss 2 days out of the 9 to 5.
And differently from you can't miss the 2 day. Even if you work the 9 to 5, it cannot take you to bath. To full jar yourself either. It cannot buy anything.
So yeah, you want to reach a bath and this source can take you there, but the 9 to 5 whole day today can't take you there and maintain you and bring you back home. No, so at the end of the day, it take away a lot from you. It take away everything from you because you only can dedicate to this 9 to 5 hours.
Let's adjust it.
Nothing else.
Let's adjust it because more time we're good at talk and it sounds like we're talking on one hand.
No.
When we're talking about 9 to 5, really, it's not every 9 to 5, but most 9 to 5.
Majority.
Especially in Jamaica.
Most 9 to 5, yard or abroad. You say especially Jamaica, especially over here, so a hand to mouth, brother. Hand to mouth. Me I tell you the truth. You have rent. You have electrical bill. Some people have gas bill. Some people internet. You have your phone bill. You have your sometimes you have your cable. You have your credit cards. Brother, amount of bill. Amount of bill. Then they have Afterpay, you have Affirm, then they have Netflix, Hulu, then they have child support, then they have to send money a yard. Yo! But anyway, it's real low. On a big one level, 9 to 5, a hand to mouth. But we need it. And then the people them who go to college and university, may I drop out. Nothing to give thanks about. Them have to pay back their student loan there. Oh my God. Say add that to your bill. Brother, when you don't pay a bill, man, and you look in your account is negative. So while you do a 9 to 5, save something and put it aside so you can start something for yourself. Entrepreneurship, the best way to go alongside 9 to 5. If you can balance your time and do both of them, yeah.
At the end of the day, the government not really look nothing good for we, you know.
We have been doing the right thing by Jamaica.
Yeah, government for me, you know. Me can't sit down and rely upon you, you know.
No other government that has repaired and built like this government.
You see that happen? That are going nowhere.
In your community.
Who can rely upon the government?
22,000 Jamaicans have had the chance to own their own homes.
How much a big man over state and big man like that know you know?
Over 100,000.
So you feel say after you be prime minister, you feel done with we and go to some people who never know you before.
You have to level the playing field.
Remember we the people make you be who you is, you know.
The public would see and would know.
I want to you, man. You have to deal with it better than that, man.
Why and how?
Give a better benefit.
Action is being taken.
You can't live in our country and not get a benefit, brother.
We were reminded of that.
You just a dig for yourself alone, like say you alone make up this.
Don't talk about it.
And you alone make yourself be in the cabinet today, you know.
Leave that aside.
You give the people them none of your money, where you get.
The government just start to spend some money.
You have to help people to man, you have to just take from people alone.
Blessings fall by the right hand.
Oh, me a work and me can't reach now when me can't see nothing. Me still have to look somewhere for thief.
We're gonna do something, don't worry.
If you make people have money and live comfortable and can't see them salary and put them where they want to reach, people will comfortable, bro.
Hey. So many pointers. So many goddamn pointers. Hope you get it. The mix about but is another reality check. Jesus. Back to the 9 to 5. 9 to 5 a hand to mouth, brother. 9 to 5 a hand to mouth. You know, most of my family are university and college graduate, and me I tell us, yo, a paycheck them. A hand to mouth. Can't only pay bills in most cases. I swear. But yeah, that was entertaining. Now I'm very serious way. Moving forward.
I carry what me have to carry for the people them. And me have to hold that same way, brother. It's like if I struggling, me have now a carry, you know, brother. Why people them I look forward to it and me have to just try maintain it. Just so me I say. Yeah man, but me don't know nothing about suffering, brother. Yeah, me never get no suffering experience. Suffering I like when I see them it put Rambo in a pit and him can't move, him have to stay there so till them come release him. Yes, yeah, I suffer, brother. Yeah, man. Yeah, I suffer no blood clot. You know what I say?
Only struggling, never suffer.
Right. Struggling hard, man. Never suffer, brother. Trust me upon that. So, I tell myself, say poverty is something where we have to just try to trample, you know? So you see, if you find yourself can elevate yourself 2 more tread up the ladder, now bother fight for.
Alright, so there's a difference between struggle and suffering. Somebody explain to me. They're very much similar. When you do the maths and do the English and check the dictionary. Yeah. Leave a comment in the comment section for one day. We're moving forward.
It's best to give than receive, because them say when you give is a blessing. When you receive a blessing too. Or the fuck me just get up and give every bumbo clock you not receive nothing. So me no want no blessing.
No blessing no day. Yeah, fear
me just a give every day, then that's that alone a blessing. So when me receive
receiving supposed
no
to be
must be
blessing
blessing too.
Yeah,
Them me no want receive too, man. Look how much people want.
I think we covered the video already, you know, and me put it with the Ninja Man video. What did Ninja Man say again? Yeah, Ninja Man, they say, there's a saying, God help those who help themselves. But Ninja Man say, God help those who can't help themselves but help others. So, there's an argument for two. It's a blessing to receive, of course, because if me can't help myself and me I help you, I'm assuming I'm going to receive blessing from helping you, and you are receive your blessing by receiving help from me. So, this giver and the receiver are being blessed, in my opinion. Moving forward.
If you come suck pussy, but if you buy one toothpaste and one toothbrush, when him a forward.
I thought we such man.
Such man, brother. Left me alone, no man. Now you want to put me in a mix up, brother. You know, see man want to kill me already, man. So, as such man, me have to run with, brother.
Where is
Yes, brother. Now, if you clean mouth before you go suck, girl, because girl not tell himself saying put clean on such man mouth. And oh, you mean no? Then why girl could I tell him that? What the reason make girl tell him that? Not tell girl tell himself saying put clean on such man mouth.
Video 1, video 2, video 3, video 4. Conscious video. Now we reach a dirty cat. Reach a freaky cat. Oh my gosh. So, such man is going to eat vagina. And the young lady say, yo, you have to brush your teeth first before you eat the vagina. Because you know what? Catch no bacteria. But you know, so when you brush your teeth, depending upon the toothbrush where you have, it basically scrape your gum. So that means say your mouth become an open wound. So if you go do them the activity there and that person have anything, you're catching it. Don't eat vagina. God never give you a mouth for eat vagina. God give you a mouth for eat food. So you can be nutritious, so you can have a manhood. Pushing a girl. Moving forward, the video seems like it's too long already, you know, man.
We gonna put him for bury.
Yes, brother.
Balling.
Okay, brother.
So when I say me, I'll check the eye right now.
So you want me to start ball right now?
No.
No, hold on. Me I say something to you. I want to know how much they charge for ball. I want to spin around.
Well, at 10,000 for ball, you know.
Yeah.
15 for ball and roll. 20.
So that's my price.
Yeah, 20. To lie down on the coffee and now move. See me?
What I want you to do now, I want you just give one like a hint at the bar.
How then? One nephew? Why? Hold on, man. Bada.
Yeah, man. Looks like we can ball go to funeral for sure.
Moving forward.
You eat bird?
Yes. Me is a kind of lion, me love flesh.
Sure, what make?
Because no ask if it no sweet, you know.
Name one.
You have one where you call name P-Dub.
Yeah.
And you have one where name White Belly.
Me don't know about him.
White Belly, no, that sentence to them, that country place.
Me don't know about that.
A White Wing and P-Dub in town.
Okay.
When we are going to catch Budman, when we are coming all 2, 3, 4.
You eat ball plate?
Why for them meat fat?
Answer me, man.
Me live in a area where them there me can't get one to eat.
What make?
It's the most skeptics bird them.
How you mean?
He will come a low pantry. But him not coming along, you know. The one with them call ball plate with one white at the head top.
Yeah, man, them don't know.
Me love bird soup, you know, man. Yes.
Yo. Yes, better react, better review, just like the video for me, please. Me know the bun a laugh a while ago. Share the video for me, please. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell, so whenever I upload a video, you get notified. You can come watch and laugh and ball. And what? Me didn't even know. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. It was appreciate you guys per usual. Thanks for watching. Yeah man. See you tomorrow.